that great haircut that his mother gave him. Oh, Jay farted on you.
The butt smeller! No, I'm just kidding.
Ew. She was sniffing your foot.
Oh, mouse.
Look, she's dead. Oh no. You can't go because she's smart. Stop, you're hurting her. George, you're hurting her. I got him, Jay. You play good, Gia. You know how to do it. You play dead,
Put
right?
this on tape.
Let me see your face, Jake. I think she's going to be an actress.